at 7:45.
That's fine. Hey.
Now, are you taking Isaiah? Because if you are, that means we're together.
No.
Okay.
If I don't have to take him, I don't.
Alright, I'm not taking him. Release Eddie.
What are you talking about, baby? Huh? What are you talking about? Huh? What you see over there? What is it? Really?
Hi.
What is it you see over there? What you talking about?
Come out there. Just one happy baby right now.
You just like being on your changing table, huh? And mommy's not bothering you pulling anything over your head, right? Yeah. I'm just laying here. It's a nice cushion. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Nobody's trying to make you go to sleep.
Somebody's trying to make you good.
Really? You waving to the camera? Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
You look like now you're like, okay, I've had enough. I want to get up. You want to try to flip yourself out of there, huh?
Yeah, I was watching him when he was
Alright, we're getting up.
It's like, okay, he's jumping all over the bed. Still need to be rocking that little bit.
You want to stand up? You ain't going to let me just pull you up? No?
Oh, I gotta find some place to
No?
my phone.
Alright, I'm going to stop the camera. We're going to say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Because you're trying to climb out.
Those are the cutest pictures.
Bye-bye.